Welcome to this U.S. citizenship interview for 2026. In this interview, the officer asks many yes-no questions and several difficult N400 vocabulary words. You will also see the English test, civics test, and application review. Let's begin the interview.
Hi, Miss Sala Nagoyan.
Yes, I am here.
Thank you for coming in today. I'm Officer Elise. I will be conducting your interview today. Please follow me.
Sure.
Please feel free to put your belongings next to your chair and remain standing.
Okay.
Before we start the interview, I need you to take the oath. Please raise your right hand.
Sure.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
What did you just promise?
I promise to tell the truth.
Good. You can lower your hand now. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I was nervous before, but I'm fine now.
Don't worry, you will be fine. How did you get here?
My husband drove me by car.
How long did it take to get here?
About 50 minutes.
Have you been studying hard for the interview?
Yes, I have. I really want to be an American citizen.
Good. Do you know why you're here today?
Yes, I am here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become an American citizen?
Because I want to vote.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Are you filing the naturalization application under the general provision?
Yes, officer.
Can I have your green card, your passports, and any state-issued ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any questions before we start the interview?
No, I don't have any questions to ask.
Are you ready for an interview?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. First, we will complete the English reading and writing test, and after that, we will move on to the civics part. Please read the sentence on the tablet in front of you.
Where does the president live?
Correct. Now write down the sentence I'm going to say. The president lives in the White House. Almost. Please listen one more time and write it again. The president lives in the White House. The president lives in the White House. Good, you passed the English reading and writing test. Now we're going to the civics test. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Give a driver's license.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attack the United States.
Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one.
U.S. diplomat.
What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress?
Senate and House of Representatives.
What are two examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote, run for office.
There were 13 original states. Name three.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey.
Good. You got 6 questions correct and passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now, we will move on to your application interview.
Okay.
What is your full name?
My full name is Lan Ngok Nguyen.
What is your given name?
My given name is Lan.
What is your last name?
My last name is Nguyen.
Have you had other names since birth?
No, officer.
Do you want to change your full name on the certificate of citizenship?
No, I don't.
When did you become a permanent resident?
October 24th, 2018.
How did you get your green card?
Through my family, my daughter sponsored me.
What is your birth date?
I was born on Mesa Luckant, 1978.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to update your immigration status with the SSA if you're naturalized?
Yes, I do.
What's your Social Security number?
747121478.
What is your gender?
I am female.
What's your weight?
I weigh 128 pounds.
What's your height?
I am 5 feet 2 inches tall.
What's your hair color?
Black.
What color are your eyes exactly?
Brown.
All right. What's your current physical address?
245 Pine Ridge Drive, Frederick, Maryland 21702.
And is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, it is.
You've lived at this address since January 27th, 2021?
Yes.
Have you lived any elsewhere in the last 5 years?
No.
All right. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
Where did you get married to your current spouse?
I got married to my current spouse in Vietnam.
Do you have any previous marriages?
No, I don't.
Is he a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is a U.S. citizen.
When did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen?
April 11th, 2025.
Was he born in the U.S.?
No, he was born in Vietnam.
What is his legal name?
Nam Phan Tran.
Is your spouse's day of birth June 3rd, 1974?
Yes.
Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address?
Yes.
Is your spouse working?
Yes, he is.
What is your spouse's current job?
He is a construction worker.
Where is he working?
He works for Clark Construction Group in Bethesda, Maryland.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I work as a nail technician.
What company do you work for?
Diamond Nail Spa.
How long have you worked there?
About 5 years.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Where were they born?
They were both born in Vietnam.
Are they your biological children, correct?
Yes, they are.
Are they currently living with you?
Yes, they are living with me and my husband.
How many of your children are under 18 years old?
1 child.
Can I see the original birth certificate of the child?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever left the United States since you got your green card?
Yes, I have.
How many trips have you taken outside the United States?
4 trips.
Which country did you visit?
Vietnam, Mexico, and Canada.
Were any of your trips were 6 months or more?
No, officer.
When was your last trip outside the United States?
June 21st, 2025.
What was the purpose of your trip?
My family and I went to Canada for a long vacation.
When did you return the US on the last trip?
July 2nd, 2025.
Now let us go over some questions from Part 9 of N400 application. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any opposition to all organized government?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No, officer.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any of the overthrow by force or violence or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States or all forms of law?
No, never.
Have you ever advocated any of the unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of their official character?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any sabotage?
No.
What is sabotage?
The act of destroying something.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with? Or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services, or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Engaged, participated in kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture or genocide?
No.
Have you ever participated in killing or trying to kill any person?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in, intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
No.
Have you ever participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent, did not agree, or was unable to consent, could not agree, or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
No.
Have you ever participated in causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any armed group, for example, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, or guerrilla group?
No.
Have you ever worked, volunteered, or otherwise served in a place where people were detained, forced to stay? For example, a prison, jail, prison camp, a camp where prisoners of war or political prisoners are kept, detention facility, or labor camp, or have you ever directed or participated in any other activity that involved detaining people?
No.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons, or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons which you knew or believed would be used against another person?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No.
What does to be arrested mean?
To be handcuffed by the police.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, in the U.S. or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled, trafficked any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
No.
What are illegal drugs or narcotics?
Like heroin or cocaine.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter, or try to enter, the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
How do you define misrepresentation?
The act of giving false information.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No, officer.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you now have or did you ever have a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is civilian direction?
A direction from a person who is not in the military.
Good. Do you promise everything you've said is true?
Yes, I do.
Great. Let's review the updated application on the tablet one more time to make sure everything is accurate. If there's something that you need to make a correction, let me know.
Sure. Everything looks good to me.
Perfect. Please sign your name here. And here is the oath of allegiance to the United States. Please also review and sign at the bottom if you're ready. Great. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm pleased to inform you that you've met all the requirements to become a U.S. citizen, so you passed your naturalization interview today. You're welcome. Here's the result. It just shows that you passed your interview. We'll send you a schedule for the oath ceremony, and we'll send you a notice someday this week, so you should receive it shortly. Do you have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
You're welcome!
Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, give me a like. See you in the next video.